Phosphate rock is the general name of phosphate minerals, which can be used economically. It is an important chemical mineral raw material, can make phosphate fertilizer, can also be used to make yellow phosphorus, phosphoric acid, phosphide, and other phosphates. Phosphate or ball pressing machine is composed of 3 parts. A feeding part. The main is to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2 main transmission system for the motor triangle belt reducer, open gear roll. 3 forming parts. The main machine part of the ball press. The core part is the roll. Pellet specifications can be customized according to customer requirements. The bulk density of the pellet, fall strength, and block phosphate rock equivalent. After pressing the ball through screening, qualified ball into the finished product warehouse for smelting use.